Hi, my name is Amy Lentz, and I'm with CSU Extension in Weld County. We're here today at the CSU Annual Trial Gardens, and it's early August. And I wanted to highlight one of our great shade plants for Colorado. This is called Coleus, and this comes in many different leaf colors, different variegations, and leaf sizes and shapes. There's a lot of variety with Coleus that can do really well in your garden, whether it's in shade or in sun. So let me go show you how Coleus looks in the sun as well.